Hello friends, welcome to Competitive Exams channel. In this video we will discuss 20 most important geography questions. First question. Seasonal movement of people and their heads from valley of mountain and vice versa is known as. Right answer is option B. Transhumans. Second question. Sara is a famous field in. Right answer is option D. Germany. Third question. The place or city located at the confluence of river Euphrates and Tiger is. Right answer is option D. Baghdad. Fourth question. Which of the rock formations in India is the richest fossil content? Right answer is option C. Gondwana. Fifth question. Puchampat irrigation project lies on. Right answer is option B. Godavari. Sixth question. Sandstone, conglomerate, limestone, shale potash, loess, gneisseries, chalk, coal, chert, halite are the examples of. Right answer is option C. Sedimentary rocks. Seventh question. The second most important argo based industry of India after textile is. Right answer is option D. Sugar industry. Eighth question. As per 2011 census of India, the state which registered lowest sex ratio is. Right answer is option B. Haryana. Ninth question. The industrial region of India which has the predominance of metal industry is. Right answer is option B. Chota Nagpur region. 10th question. The main thickness of oceanic crust and continental crust is around. Right answer is option C. 5 kilometer and 30 kilometer respectively. 11th question. Titaghar, Amalai and Nepanagar are known for. Right answer is option D. Paper industry. 12th question. The radiant energy received by the earth and its atmosphere from the sun is called. Right answer is option A. Insulation. 13th question. The layer of ocean water between the depth zone of 300 meter to 1000 meter characterized by the sharp change of temperature in the vertical section of sea water is called. Right answer is option D. Thermocline. 14th question. The modern iron and steel industry in India had its beginning in 1870 when Bengal Iron Works Company was established in India. Right answer is option A. Kulti. 15th question. The planet which has maximum number of satellites is, right answer is option C, Jupiter. 16th question. Which planet is known as sister of Earth? Right answer is option B, Venus. 17th question. The study of Uranus universe is called. Right answer is option C, cosmology. 18th question. The large natural ecosystem comprised of abiotic land, air, water, and soil of the concerned habitat, and biotic plants, animals, and microorganisms is called. Right answer is option D, biome. 19th question. The highest glacial lake of India, located at the highest height of 17,745 feet in Garhwala, Himalaya is. Right answer is option A, Devtal. 20th question. Project Tiger, one of the premier conservation efforts in the country, was launched on. Right answer is option D, April 1, 1973. Thank you friends. Please subscribe to our channel.